Welcome to the Lotte City Hotel. We stayed 4 nights here. Come along for a tour of the room.
When you walk in, on your left is where you pop in your card so you can power up the room. And on your right is a closet where there's 2 robes and some hangers. And there's a safe where you can store your items, and a laundry bag in case you need to do laundry, and a set of slippers to lounge in. There's a luggage rack so you can put your luggage on it. When you walk over, there's a cabinet where underneath is a refrigerator where they provide you with 2 bottles of complimentary water every day. And there's a kettle to heat up hot water so you can make coffee, noodles, tea. They also provide you with complimentary tea and coffee and 2 cups. And then you have a nice sized TV, which has few Western options. A little workspace area where you have some outlets where you can charge your items. A great little sitting area where you can look out and get a really nice view of the city. Oh my God, look how high up we are. We're actually on the 25th floor. And the bed, it's large and it's comfortable. And it also has an outlet on the one side. This bathroom is really nice. You have a giant shower with a rainfall shower head and a wand. And then there's conditioner, shower gel, shampoo, and you have a sponge. And the sink is really nice as well. There's soap and lotion. And they give you 2 cups. And of course, there's this amazing Asian toilet, which I really have to get one of these for my house. This hotel has a really nice fitness center where they have a lot of cardio equipment. And they also have free weights. They even have free towels and water. The hotel has a laundry room that has 2 washing machines, 2 dryers. You can purchase laundry detergent out of the vending machine. And there also is 2 ironing boards, 2 irons. Wrapping up our tour, this hotel is very nice. Service was exceptional and the staff is very friendly. It's half a mile from Gwangjang Market and a little over a mile from one of the royal palaces. We really enjoyed our 3-night stay here. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more of our adventures in Korea.